Dutch doors are so charming. These unique doors, often seen in picturesque European villages, have a timeless appeal that can instantly elevate the look of your home. They are not just beautiful but also incredibly functional. They bring a touch of Europe right into your home. Imagine walking up to your front door and being greeted by this charming feature. It's like having a little piece of Europe right at your doorstep. Imagine a door that opens in two halves. This unique design allows you to open just the top half, letting in fresh air and sunlight while keeping the bottom half closed. The top swings open, while the bottom stays shut. This is perfect for those moments when you want to enjoy the breeze without worrying about kids or pets running outside. Dutch doors are practical too. They offer a versatile solution for modern living. Whether you're keeping an eye on the kids while cooking or chatting with a neighbor, these doors make life easier. They let in fresh air and sunshine, but they keep little ones and pets safe inside. This makes them an excellent choice for families who want to enjoy the outdoors without compromising safety. You can even chat with someone outside without opening the whole door. It's a great way to stay connected with your neighbors while maintaining a sense of privacy and security. Let's transform your ordinary door into a beautiful Dutch door. With a few tools and some creativity, you can achieve this charming look yourself. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We'll guide you through each step, from measuring and cutting to installing the hardware. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to create such a stunning feature. With a little time and effort, you'll have a charming new door in no time. Imagine the pride and joy of having a unique, functional and beautiful Dutch door that adds character and charm to your home. Before we start, it's crucial to gather all the necessary tools and materials. This preparation step ensures that we won't have to stop midway through our project to search for something we need. It saves time and keeps the workflow smooth and efficient. Let's gather everything we need. Having all your tools and materials within arm's reach will make the entire process more enjoyable and less stressful. This will make our project much smoother. Organization is key to any successful DIY project. By laying out your tools and materials in an orderly fashion, you can easily find what you need when you need it. Here's a list of what you'll need. First and foremost, safety gear. Safety glasses and work gloves are essential to protect your eyes and hands from potential hazards. Safety gear like safety glasses and work gloves will protect you during the project. Never underestimate the importance of safety. It's always better to be safe than sorry. A tape measure and a pencil are essential for accurate cutting. These tools will help you mark precise measurements, ensuring that your cuts are exact and your project turns out as planned. A circular saw or jigsaw will help you divide the door. Depending on the type of cut you need, either tool can be used to make straight or curved cuts with ease. Sandpaper, both medium and fine grit, and a sanding block will smooth out the cut edges. Smoothing the edges is crucial for a professional finish, and to prevent any splinters or rough spots. You'll need 3 hinges for a standard Dutch door. These hinges will allow the door to swing open and close smoothly. Make sure the screws are the right length for your door's thickness. Using the correct screws ensures that the hinges are securely attached and that the door operates properly. A screwdriver or drill with the appropriate bit will make attaching hinges a breeze. Power tools can save you a lot of time and effort, making the installation process quicker and more efficient. If you want to add a latch, you'll need a door latch set and screws. A latch can provide additional security and functionality to your Dutch door. Now that we have everything, let's get started. With all our tools and materials ready, we can dive into the project with confidence and enthusiasm. The first step is to carefully remove your existing door from its hinges. Lay it flat on a sturdy work surface. Now let's decide where to divide your door. Most people split their Dutch door in half. This creates 2 equal sections. Use your tape measure to find the halfway point of the door's height. Mark this line with your pencil. Remember, measure twice before you cut. This ensures a straight and accurate cut. Now it's time to divide your door. Put on your safety glasses and work gloves. If you're using a circular saw, adjust the blade depth to match your door's thickness. Carefully guide your saw along the marked line. Keep the saw straight for a clean cut. After cutting, admire your work. You now have 2 door halves. Next, smooth the cut edges with your sandpaper. Start with medium grit sandpaper to remove any rough spots. Then use fine grit sandpaper for a polished finish. Section 5. Hanging your Dutch door, a 2-part process. Now it's time to hang your Dutch door. This process is a bit different from installing a regular door, but with a little patience and the right tools, you'll have it up in no time. First, install the top half of the door. This is crucial because it will set the alignment for the bottom half. Attach 2 hinges to the top edge, just as you would with a regular door. Make sure the hinges are evenly spaced and securely fastened. Lift the door into the frame and secure the hinges to the door jamb. It's important to ensure that the door is level and swings freely. Next, install the bottom half. This part should align perfectly with the top half if the top was installed correctly. Attach 2 hinges to its top edge. Again, make sure they are evenly spaced and securely fastened. Align it with the top half and screw the hinges into the door jamb. This step is crucial for the proper functioning of the door. Test both halves of the door to ensure they swing open and close smoothly. Adjust the hinges if necessary to achieve a perfect fit. You did it. You now have a functioning Dutch door. Enjoy the versatility and charm it brings to your home. Section 6. Optional. Adding a latch for extra security. Want to keep your Dutch door securely closed? You can easily add a latch. First, decide where you want to place the latch on your door. Mark the spot on both the top and bottom halves of the door. Follow the latch manufacturer's instructions to install the latch plates on both sides of the door. Now your Dutch door is extra secure and functional. Section 7. Finishing touches, paint, stain, and style. It's time to add your personal touch. Paint your Dutch door a cheerful color or stain it for a rustic look. Consider adding decorative hardware like new hinges or a handle. You can also hang a charming wreath or a seasonal planter on your new door. Section 8. Enjoy your new Dutch door. Congratulations. You've successfully transformed your ordinary door into a charming and functional Dutch door. Now you can enjoy fresh air and sunshine while adding a touch of European charm to your home. This project was easy and fun, wasn't it? Remember, you can customize your Dutch door to fit your style and needs. Don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own.